The man has no morals. He was a disgrace.
Guy was a nightmare. Left my place in a tip.
That f***ing guy.
Cost me 10 grand, that bloke. I had to get everything sanitised. I couldn't see where the floor was. There was so much crap.
The smell in my house, I've never smelled anything like that before.
I'm still looking for him till this day.
He is the worst guest ever.
Sorry, are you Stephen? Yeah.
Get out of the way, please. Oh, what is this? Oh, grim. What the f***? How am I supposed to clean all this up? What's that? Cleanipedia presents The Morning After Mess. It's time to say I do to cleaning up after this messy crew. The sheets are stained a bronzish hue, and in the carpet a bit of spew. Oh. If at any point you don't know what to do, remember Cleanipedia has all the clues. What am I even supposed to clean it all up with? Let's get it done then. Oh, what's that? They must have had a right knees up yesterday. Is that a guy? Is that a guy? Look at this. No one's going to see that. You all right?
Oh, hi.
What are you doing up here?
I'm enjoying the hen party, aren't you?
Hen party's finished. I'm just here cleaning up.
Is it? Thank you, see ya.
See ya. Oh, I won't have a sip. Cupcake, middle pocket. Oh, yeah. That can live over there.
Oh, sorry, I'm just grabbing my bag. Bye.
Oh, what is this? Oh. Oh, actually, it smells nice. How am I supposed to get that out? All right. All right. Be cosy in here, isn't it? OK, what did it say? Sparkling water. Put a bit on. Put the whole thing on. Rub it in. A bit of the Persil. Put a bit of that on. Rub that in, it said. Throw it in here. And a cap as well, in the drawer bit. That's the drawer bit, isn't it? It's the cap's worth. And on. Sweet. Done. Right, let's get this up. Look at that. Yeah. I think I'm getting really good at this cleaning stuff. Stop filming. Oh, it's disgusting. Oh. Oi, I said stop filming. Right, let's do this. Disgusting. Right, put a bit of this on. That'll do, I think. Yeah, smells good, looks better. Yeah, done. Yeah, I'm well chuffed. I did it. What's he got under there? Zesty. Look at that. It's filthy.
Thank you.